Hi everyone, I'm Simona Lincheva from ROIABLE, and today as a part of the SAP Identity Management Migration topics, we are going to cover the initial load. You can find this topic under number 52, and when we click on the element here, this is going to direct us to the respective slide. We are usually using the term initial load to describe the process of onboarding a new system into the customer landscape or into our landscape. By standard, SAP Identity Management has a default, let's say, template for onboarding a system. And inside we can find all of the processes we need in order to create a much more sophisticated procedure for loading a new system. From the technical perspective, we are building the processes. We have always in a separate steps, so we can execute and re-execute some of the steps if needed. And most of the time it is needed. And no matter the IM solution we are using, we can always include some of the best practices we currently follow. As a first, we always need the initial request from a system owner that they want to connect to our landscape. Then we can proceed with providing some prerequisites based on the predefined procedures we cover or predefined processes we cover for the type of systems we connect to. After clarifying those initial topics, we can proceed with the technical steps. And as a first, we execute the initial connection test. Here, this step can be executed a couple of times until we have a successful connection to the target system. Then we proceed with executing initial reports of the data we are about to load. And this is an important step as most of the systems we connect are active systems, productive development, quality or sandbox environments. And we already have number of accounts already existing there with their authorizations, with their master data, and additionally we have the rest of the access coming from the system. Then we proceed with additional communication with the system owners. We provide those reports so they can validate and confirm them. Here, usually we have some cleanup steps executed from the system owners, as most of the times when we connect the system, there are some master data problems, even some access problems, and those are really visible when we start executing the reports. So steps 5 and 6 are executed a couple of times from experience. Then we proceed as soon as we have the confirmation, okay, the data looks fine. We proceed with the final initial load where we are loading the data inside our IM landscape. And finally, when we have the data loaded, we activate the daily jobs, whatever daily jobs we have. And by having such a procedure in place, we can always rely on a clear and clean process that any member of the team can follow and execute, really no matter of the solution or no matter of the target systems we want to connect to. And as usual, thanks for listening, and for more information on the upcoming topics, please follow us on the social media channels. Thank you.